Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another new video. If you are new to my YouTube channel, you are highly welcome. On this channel I talk about food, lifestyle, politics, vlog. I do most of everything on my YouTube channel. So guys, today's video I'll be talking about the progress in Ghana. You see guys, this is interesting topic, okay, and I don't want this video to be too long, so I just want to hurry up, okay guys. So let me talk about the good things that is happening in Ghana. You see, Ghana is progressing today. Is people leading Ghana that are doing the amazing work. You see, so if the government is doing great, why Ghana will not be progressing? So it's because that people that are on top, you know, the leaders of Ghanaians, they are doing amazing work. They are doing things that people love, you know. This is what people love to see in a country, seeing their country developing, seeing their country, you know, progressing. This is what people love, and this is what Ghanaian government are doing currently, you know. That is why people love, that is why people are talking about Ghana, the good things that is happening in Ghana today. Me itself, I'm so amazed of things that is going on in Ghana. In fact, I'm seeing everything on the internet. I was so amazed. Okay guys, so having a progressive country is contribution of the government. Government are the head of the country. You see, when you have a very good government, the country must surely progressing. You see guys, so today Ghana is most successful country, African country in this continent. Ghana is most successful country in this continent, in this African nation. So you see, so the so-called Nigeria, the giant of Africa, where is it today? The so-called Nigeria, giant of Africa, is nowhere to found again. There is no new development in Nigeria. Rather, things are getting worse and worse because of bad government. And now look at Ghana. Look at the amazing work of Ghanaian government are doing, putting smile on people's faces, putting smile on their citizens. That now their citizens will be sure that when they get to the higher education, graduated, that they must surely see work to work, surely work. This is what makes them so happy. You know, you see guys. So if country will surely progressing, it is the work of the government. So you see what the Ghanaian government are doing today, putting smile on people's faces. People are talking about Ghana all over. People are talking about Ghana because they are seeing good things happening in Ghana, and they are talking about it, speaking about it, so people will get to know the good things that is happening in Ghana today. So you see, if country will work, is government, everything is in hands of government. And now Ghanaian government is doing his great job, you know, doing his amazing work to make sure that people live a better life in Ghana. This is so good, and this is what makes them progressing. You see guys, this is what made them so progressing. Me, I'm so happy for Ghana. I'm so happy for what is happening in Ghana today. So I just want to say, Ghanaian government, keep on doing your good work, keep on putting smile on your citizens' faces, so that keep doing your good work, keep putting smile on Ghanaians' faces, so that people will always appreciate your work. Okay guys, okay. So thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for stopping by. I would like to see you again in my next video, and do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.